Hello guys, welcome you guys once again to basic physics tutorials. It's been a while, but yes, you are still welcome. I'm Victor Odo, and you know, previously we actually talked about how to do well in physics, and you saw the basic principle to follow. We had a lot of viewers and a lot of people were commenting, they were appreciating the video, and you're gonna love what's gonna come this time around. Guess what? We're going to be talking about how water actually boils without heating. Actually, people have been coming to an understanding that physics is not does not have a meaning, does not have any effect. But oh my God, they are really mistaken. Every day we execute physics principle. Physics principle guide us on this planet a lot. As you stand up, as you lie down, as you walk, as you go to your kitchen, as you go to your work, as you go to your various environment, you execute physics principle. You are working on that physics principle. Newton's law, of course, is there to bind you when you're either working, when you are resting, and all of that. So straight to the point today, we're gonna be talking about how water boils without heating it. Wow, isn't that marvelous? Probably you'll be thinking, is this guy really serious? Because it's like, to some people they have not heard of it. What some people might have, okay, I've seen something like that, but maybe you don't have the understanding. I'm here to break it down to you. Water could actually boil without heating, without actually applying heat, anything that is a form of heat. Now, when you keep water on a normal room temperature, remember we know what's temperature. um in my subsequent videos I will try to explain all these little terms, but let me just break it down for you. Temperature is just the measurement of, it's just the difference between hotness and coldness. If you could touch a body and know if it's hot or cold, you either say the temperature is hot or the temperature is cold. So now we are having room temperature. Room temperature is the normal temperature, absolute temperature, the temperature at which human being that is conducive for us, and it's 22 degrees centigrade. So now, if you keep water in a space, let's say in a room. Now remember I told you that the normal temperature of this our atmosphere that is conducive for us is 22 degrees centigrade. Now for water to boil without heating, it's possible if you decrease the pressure. Now what is pressure? Pressure is a force acting on a particular surface. Now the pressure, now that's the force that if you could decrease the amount of atmospheric pressure. And how do you decrease it? By removing air from that particular space or room of which you keep the water, either beaker, or you keep what do they call it, either bucket of water. In any way you keep it, you can seal up the place all and use a vacuum tube, start the engine and suck out all the air. Or if you are using a syringe to put water, inject water and close it, and then you find something to remove the air. Immediately you do that, the water itself start boiling. Yes, so that's it. So boiling is a spontaneous change of water from a liquid state to a gaseous state. Remember, you know the three phases of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. So for water to boil, normally if you are using your stove or gas or whatever you're using as a source of heat, water have to change its degree up and move up to 100. But in this case, you have to keep it in a particular vacuum, remove the air, it will fall below room temperature, that is 22 degrees Celsius. As soon as it start dropping gradually, the water will start bubbling up, because the atmosphere, the environment will become hot for it to boil without applying heat. That's why if you are in a room, for instance, and all the places are closed, as there is no air entrance, the place is always hot. So that's the rule that apply to how water boils actually without you heating it. So I believe you could now understand that water could actually boil even though you are working. As someone could tell you, is it possible? As a science student, or probably as someone who has the knowledge in physics, you could actually tell that yes, water could boil without heating. The necessary thing that is involved for water to boil is room temperature. I explained that. Air pressure, that's the pressure exerted by the air around us. Atmospheric pressure is the pressure exerted by the atmosphere around us. So those are the basic parameters that actually speed up or that constitute water boiling. So I believe you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like and also subscribe to this channel. There's a lot more that I'm going to be explaining, so do well to subscribe and also comment on the section below so that I could check from the section, reply to you and also shoot subsequent video based on your comment. Thank you. See you guys next time.